Our question says, which is greater between 3 over 8 and 7 over 20? So in order to solve this question, you have to consider that we have two different fractions, 3 over 8 and 7 over 20. We have 8 in the denominator in this first fraction. We have 20 in the denominator on this second fraction. So the first thing to do is to find the LCM between the two denominators, which is 8 and 20. So we are going to find the LCM of 8 and 20. So we start by 2 here, where we have 4, and here down we have 10. We divide by 2 again, we get 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. We still have one even number, which is 2, so we can still divide by 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 5 cannot be divisible by 2, so we write it as it is. And then we have 1 and 5, so we can finish by dividing by 5 here. So here we write 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now here it is easy for us to find the LCM, where we can multiply 2 times 2 to get 4 times 2. We get 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So we find that our LCM is 40. So our LCM here is 40. Then we are going to multiply all the fractions by the LCM. So we start with 3 over 8. So 3 over 8 we multiply it by the LCM. Here by 8 it is 1. By 8 it is 5. So we remain with 3 times 5, where we get 15. So this 15 corresponds to the first fraction, which is 3 over 8. Then we take the second fraction, which is 7 over 20. 7 over 20. We are going to multiply it by the LCM as well, just as we did with the first fraction. So 7 over 20 times 40, which is our LCM. Again we divide. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 40 divided by 20 is 2. Then we multiply 7 and 2. 7 times 2 we get it is 14. So now we check the two products. We have 15, which corresponds to 3 over 8. And then we have 14, which corresponds to 7 over 20. And when we compare the two answers, 15 and 14, we find that 15 is greater than 14. So this 15 corresponds to 3 over 8. So we come to know that 3 over 8 is bigger than 7 over 20. So this is the answer for our question. Thank you.